slack bomb drop. Alright guys, this skill is going to happen out of a same side hook. So you're going to bring the fabric to one side, you're going to invert by straddling, and then hook that same side knee. Make sure it's firm, grab below, grab that fabric and thigh wrap. From there, you're going to bring that same hand by the thigh and pull that slack out. Go ahead for now, wrap the knee, grab the tail in the back. When you're ready, the top hand will shoot down to the floor. And to come out, gazelle, reach above the knee, release that bottom leg from the fabric, hipkey over and release that fabric behind the back to come out to a hipkey. Alrighty, let's see that again at a different angle. Alright, remember, invert, hook the same side knee. Grab below, thigh wrap. Grab by your hip and pull the slack, creating that slack. Grab behind you, that tail. You can drop in your gazelle position. Just make sure your hand is in the back on that tail, creating the tension. Same come out, lift up, come to your thigh hitch, then your hip key, and then coming out. I hope you guys enjoyed your tutorial for the week. And if you would like to see the next one, go ahead and subscribe and like to this channel. And feel free to share this to any of your friends who can benefit from this also. Alright, I'll see you next week.